Hi guys, it's David Wynn here. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my commission hero journey. Just a few days in after the training, started running some campaigns. It's actually my second campaign that I ran. This one actually started getting some traction. I ran about 4 different ad sets. And yeah, got actually earlier today I saw one sale, then two sales, and then I'm at a third sale now. So we'll see how the day ends. But if you guys are considering Commission Hero, make sure you guys get in. It's real information, it's real strategies. You're learning from the best ClickBank affiliate out in the market. He knows what he's talking about, and I'm applying the knowledge, and I'm looking forward to scaling this business and growing even higher. If you guys are even questioning or thinking about it, make sure you get in. If you need any support, I'm here for you. My name is David Wynn, August University, and make sure you guys click on the link below in my description to get in. Would appreciate it, and let's learn together. Let's make it happen. Hopefully we can scale to 4 to 5 sales tonight, and then we can quadruple the ad set and make some more money. So yeah, let's get it. God bless. And if you guys are considering, just take action. It's a new year. No excuses, man. Let's make it happen and let's make some money. I'll talk to you guys soon.